guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Pinterest live wallpaper. So let's use, for example, you go up to the Pinterest and you pick up a particular photo you want to use. So all you need to do is click on this share icon, and once you click on that, you click on copy link. So once you click on copy link, you go back and you open up a browser and you search for Pinterest downloader. So once you click on that, you click on the first website you see, and you paste the link you just copied. You click on download, and once you've done that, you click on download image, and it's going to download, and you go to your gallery, and you can see the photo right here has been saved. So from here you can now set it as your wallpaper. So I'm going to set this right now, and here we go. So it's very simple. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.